Picture this. Two young applicants, both armed with similar qualifications and yearning for the same job. On one side is a candidate whose parents are hands-on, crafting every application, pursuing employers relentlessly, and smoothing out every obstacle. On the other side stands a candidate who navigates the job market alone, writing their own emails, making calls, and facing interviews head-on, dealing with setbacks as they come. When an employer makes a hiring decision, they're looking beyond skills. They seek independence. After all, in any workplace, challenges arise, customers need assistance, and choices must be made. Managers need assurance that their employees can handle tasks without parental intervention. The silver lining? Independence can be cultivated. Start by crafting your CV, reaching out with your own calls and emails, and attending interviews solo. It's not about being flawless, it's about embracing the journey. As you take on responsibilities, your confidence will blossom. Employers value candidates who can stand tall on their own.